morning everybody, and welcome to the end of week 3 in term 3. So we're getting there everybody. It's really nice to have the children listening both in school and also at home, and we hope you're all keeping well and safe, most importantly. We're delighted here at school with how well our lovely children are engaging with our live Zoom sessions. It's been amazing. There's actually very few children we're not seeing now on Zoom, and we know from the parents how well you're learning. So well done. Keep those pictures and those photos coming in any way you like. We don't actually care whether it's emailed or stuck on Facebook. Just let us see what you're doing at home, and we promise to send you back some feedback. We really hope that it's not too long until we all can be together again. But until then, keep safe, keep reading, keep Zooming. To all our children who are in Zoom every day, we want to say a very big well done. It's also not easy for you, but you're doing so well, and I know how much we enjoy seeing your class when we're on the Zooms together. So, let's have the nominations now. Bye everyone.